Hello internet world, welcome to my Sabrent USB Hub Special. In this video I'm going to be showing you 4 products that are really going to give you those extra ports that you need to carry out your everyday tasks. All of these products were sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm just going to share with you my opinion and views in these over the past few weeks so you can make an informed buying decision. So without further ado, let's get on with the reviews. This is the Sabrent HB-B7C3. It's a USB 3 7-port hub with 3 smart charging ports, and also it has power switches on each of the ports as well. It's available in different country versions. The one I've got here is a US version. I'll show you the plug in a short while and the power adapter, but basically depending upon which country you're in will determine which type of power adapter or cable you receive. So inside the box we get an instruction manual. We also get a warranty and support sheet. We get a USB cable. One end's going to go into the hub itself and the other end is going to go into your computer. And then we get a power adapter. Now this is a multi-voltage power adapter. So this end here goes into the hub to give it power, and then this end here has got a figure 8 connector. Now depending upon which country you're in, you will get a country specific power cable inside the box. So this is a US version, so it's got a 2 flat pin adapter on this end, and then this end goes into that power brick that I showed you earlier. If you live in another country, you'll get a different power cable inside the box. And then we get the hub itself. Now this is superb because it gives you so many ports. It gives you 7 USB 3 ports just here, and they're all individually switched. They've all got their own LED indicators. And then we get 3 additional smart charging ports, and that's used for charging devices like smartphones, tablets, action cameras, digital cameras. Really nice that these are individually switched. You can turn them on and off and only have power going to the ports that you require. It's a really neatly laid out hub. Now this end's completely clear. There's some little rubberized sort of strip on the bottom, and then this end here is where you've got your USB port and also your input for the power supply. It's a very neat solution for adding lots and lots of ports to your computer, and I can highly recommend it. This is the Sabrent USB Type-C hub with 3 USB ports, HDMI and a power delivery port as well. This is the product packaging. You can see across the bottom it gives the main features: USB Type-C, USB 3, also USB 2 support, HDMI 4K via the HDMI port, and also a power delivery of up to 60 watts. If we take a look round on the back here, it's got the model number, which is the HB-TC5P. It's also got some of the features listed on the back in various languages. Inside the box you get the hub itself, which we'll take a look at in a short while, and also a warranty sheet with some information about the 2-year warranty. And then this is the hub. It's a very lightweight hub, plastic casing on this one, Sabrent branding across the top here, and a captive cable which measures probably about 10 centimeters in length. And this is terminated with a USB Type-C plug. This is going to plug into your computer, be that a laptop or an ultrabook for example. And then we've got the array of ports on the side. So we have got a USB Type-C pass-through port, which is going to allow power delivery up to 60 watts. We've also got a USB 3 port here and 2 USB 2 ports. If we look on the underside, they are marked with what they do. And then on the end here, we have got HDMI. So this is really useful if you've got an ultrabook or a laptop without a video output. Then you can use this to get your laptop screen onto a bigger screen. Very, very useful indeed. You could even use it for the likes of a projector for presentations. It's a very compact hub, very well made. I definitely think that this is a worthwhile consideration if you need something that's nice and portable to give you those extra ports on your laptop. This is the Sabrent HB-UM43. It's a 4-port USB 3 hub with power switches, and the box here gives you some of the main features. So we've got Mac OS X compatibility, also compatible with Windows, USB 3, and then if we look around on the back, it just details some of the features in various languages. Let's take a look what we get inside the box. We get a warranty sheet. This details your warranty, which you can extend for up to 2 years. And then we get the hub itself. It's got a captive cable, as you can see, so this cable doesn't unplug from this end. And we have got a USB plug on the end here. We've also got 4 USB 3 ports. Really useful this hub is, because these are individually switched. So you can turn them on and off independently, and they've got little LED lights that surround each of the switches, so you can tell which one is turned on and which one's turned off. Sabrent branding on the top here. I've tested this for about 2 weeks now, and it's proved very, very useful indeed, especially if you've got a laptop or a desktop that hasn't got enough USB ports. Being able to add 4 full speed USB 3 ports and have them individually switched like this is a very good thing. It's a really useful device and it works absolutely flawlessly. This is a really cool product from Sabrent. It's aimed at older computers that have got standard USB ports, and it's a mini 3-port USB 3 rotating hub, and it's designed for use with something like an iMac, MacBook or Mac Mini, something that's got a traditional USB 3 port on it. If we take a look round on the back here, we've got the model number. It's the HB-R3MC, and on the side here you can see it says Windows compatible, Mac OS compatible, and also USB 3 super speed. Inside the box we get the little tiny rotating hub itself, and also a sheet which tells you about how to get support and extend your warranty to the full 2 years. This is the hub itself. It's really well made, combination of metals and plastics on here, and what we've got is a USB plug that will go into the side of your computer, and then we've got 3 USB 3 ports, so you can turn 1 port into 3 and extend its use. It's very, very useful indeed this, because if you need access to extra USB ports, this is a nice compact USB 3 hub. But the trick up this one's sleeve is when it's plugged into your computer, you can actually rotate, so you could have the ports facing in this orientation, or you could rotate it again and have the ports facing in this orientation. So this back plug here actually rotates, and there's a little click when it locks into place. This is very, very useful indeed, being able to rotate and reorientate the USB ports. It makes it a very, very useful and compact hub, ideal for portability. If you need to take this on the go with you, it's so compact, it will easily fit into your bag and not take up too much room. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do hit that like button and subscribe. And if you want to purchase any of these products for yourself, please do check out the links in the video description. There's also a link down there to the manufacturer's website. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video very, very soon.